Hey guys, in this video we're going to review Gling AI and see if it actually saves time for video editing in 2026. But before we continue, if you want to try Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. So let's start with what is Gling made for. So Gling AI is mainly made for speech-based videos. That means videos where someone is talking to the camera or explaining something inside a PC or any device. For example, a YouTube talking head videos or tutorial videos with voice. Gling is not trying to replace every part of a professional video editor. Its main job is basically to make the first edits faster. It will help you remove silences, filler words, bad takes, and repeated parts from raw footage. And Gling described its tool as is an AI video editor for YouTube creators that can detect and remove unwanted parts from raw recordings. So as an example here, once you create your account for the first time, you'll get an example project presented by Gling. And once you upload a video, as an example, let's just say it's your video. Here, the first thing that it will do, it will transcribe the whole video. So you'll have to upload your raw videos with all the mistakes included, with everything, with all the mistakes and everything. And as you can see here, it transcribed everything. So once it transcribed everything as an example, let me just show you here an example. So this exact part is repeated many times. So this was a mistake, this was a mistake, this was a mistake, all these were a mistake, and it was basically cut off and deleted by Gling AI. Once you upload a video, it will do it automatically. You basically don't have to do it yourself. So the slow part of editing is not always adding effects. Sometimes it's just removing these mistakes, and you need to remove also the long pauses. You need to cut mistakes. You will need to choose the best takes where you repeat the same sentence. Doing this manually can take a lot of time. And this is exactly the problem Gling AI is trying to solve. It gives you a cleaner first version, so you can spend less time cutting and more time improving the final video with adding whatever final touches you want. So the main features of it is silence removal, bad take removal, filler word removal, so it can save you time. As an example, once it transcribes everything, it will choose it will choose automatically the best takes or depending on the scripts that you have. Of course, the script will be taken from the video itself, it will be transcribed from the video. And then, if you didn't like an example that it took this take instead of this one, you can change it yourself. All you need to do, just go and click on this scissors icon, and it will either remove parts of the video or add it. So if you see here, if we go to files, the initial video was 5 minutes and 6 seconds. But if we go here, as an example, let's remove all the cuts. So as you can see here, the final video is only 47 seconds. So it's basically cut off all the necessary like filler words and all the mistakes and just took, as you can see, or it turned out the video into this small script. So 6 minutes video full of mistakes. As you can see, these are all the mistakes become a small basic video with this small script with all the cuts needed. Of course, once it's finished those cuts, there are other enhancements that you can make inside Gling AI. But before we get into that, if you still want to try Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. So if you go here to enhance, as you can see at the top right, you will find here many options to add. You can add auto captions. It will be added automatically since it's basically transcribed the video already. It can add auto zooms at specific times. It can add some b-rolls. It can enhance audio, like denoise it if you have some noise, speech enhancement if you want to enhance it. You have here this AI studio where you basically, if you have a bad background, you'll be able to change the dark area as an example of your background with AI, with generated AI. So you can choose a specific area that you don't want to change, and the other areas will be finished with AI. Other than that, you have, let me just remove those things that I added. You have, as you can see, this search to search for a specific word, example in transcripts if you want to remove or add something. And you do have even this option to basically take something or take some like a sentence before a sentence and etc. And also here, if you want to copy something, an example, paste it somewhere else. So it helps you very much. And does Gling AI actually save time? Yes, Gling AI saves you a lot of time, but mainly for the right type of videos. So if your video has a lot of talking, pauses, repeated lines, and small mistakes, Gling AI basically can make the first edits much faster. Just keep in mind that you do not have to make any edits yourself. So just upload all your raw files, your raw audios, an example on camera and talking head, and it will take everything together and make it into a clean video. So instead of cutting every pose manually, you let AI create the first version for you that has all the annoying stuff that takes time. So, an example, this should normally take me 1 hour to do, but AI does it in less than 2 minutes. Of course, I will not say AI is perfect, so you'll have to review it and fix anything that looks wrong for you. Normally, it doesn't do many mistakes, but it sometimes can bug. So you can always check, or you'll have to check the final video that removes all the cuts. You can add, as an example, a take instead of another one that chosen by AI. And basically, this is much faster than starting from an empty timeline. So if your videos are mostly cinematic, short, transitions, or heavily visuals or visual effects, Gling AI will not replace that. It will basically save time on taking parts, not on every creative decision. So with Gling AI here, you can make your edits only on this text. It's a text-based editor, depending on the transcribe itself. And of course, once you're done, you can, as an example, use the extra features that we've talked about before. And you'll need to keep in mind that if you create an account, you are only on the free plan. That gets you, as an example, exports with a watermark, which nobody will want that. So if you want to remove at least the watermark, you'll need to pay $10. And if you pay $10, you'll get 10 hours of AI edited media, or basically 300 words of generated video from link or combination of both per month. And as you can see, you have here many other features. You can pause the video and read them all out. So depending on what you want. So if you want to still try it out, you can get the free plan and see if it suits your needs. Just start with a small video example and see if it will do what you want and what's annoying to you. And then you can go and pay it if you would like. So once you're done, you can basically go to the top right here and export your video. Keep in mind that here you'll be able to see an example, the background tasks that is done. If you are interested in example what's done to this video, especially it's going to be about enhancement. And here you have the Endo button. So the exports. For the exports, as you can see, you'll be able to export your video as MP4. Here you can edit even the settings of the exportation, like the average video bitrate, frame per second, and simple rates in hertz. Other than that, you can export only the audio. You can export the subtitles only. You can export it as shorts if you want to add some shorts, as example. You can export it to add it like directly to your Adobe Premiere or to your FCP, to your Resolve, CapCut, so you can make other edits if you are going to add more effects later. So basically, do I like Gling or not? What I like about Gling is basically that it's focused on one clear problem and it helps you clean in talking video faster. The interface is also simple. You don't have to do many things by your own. Basically, AI does all the work. You'll just have to review. But what I don't like is it's not a full replacement for a normal editor. You may still need another tool for advanced edits, graphics and sound design and final styling. Also, AI cuts are not always perfect. You must review the video before uploading it, and on the free plan, the watermark is something to keep in mind if you want to use the final exports professionally. So, Gling is helpful, but not magic. It speeds up the work, but it does not remove the need basically to check your video. So I would use Gling if I am a creator who makes talking videos, tutorials, and I do many like wrong takes and I just want to cut the poses and all the unwanted stuff from my video. But if you are, or if you want to make more advanced edits, you will need it to make your job faster. Then you will have to go and finish your things. So Gling AI actually a time saver in 2026 for talking videos, for tutorials. It can save a lot of time on a rough cuts, but it's not a complete editor for every type of video. So you will need, or you will still need to review the cuts, fix any mistakes, and maybe use another editor to make any final edits polish if you want to. So my honest answer is Gling is worth trying if you make videos where you talk a lot and you make mistakes. If it cuts even 1 or 2 hours from your editing process, then it can be very useful for you. So yeah, once again, if you want to try Gling AI yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get started and edit your videos faster with AI. And yeah, that was my review about Gling AI in 2026. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thanks for watching and goodbye.